In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a soft glow to landscape photos in Luminar 3. We'll move through a simple, reliable workflow that gives your landscapes a dreamy, luminous feel without losing important detail. Start by launching Luminar 3 and opening the landscape photo you want to enhance. You can work with RAW or JPEG files, and the adjustments are non-destructive, so you can refine your look as you go without worrying about overwriting your original. Next, add the glow filter. You'll find it under Filters, then Creative. Depending on your version, it may appear as Glow, Soft Glow, or Soft Focus. This tool is the heart of the effect, and it's designed to soften transitions and add that cinematic, glowing sheen to bright areas in your image. Choose a glow style that suits your scene. Soft Focus offers a gentle, overall glow that works beautifully on most landscapes. Glow provides a classic, balanced look. Orton Effect brings a dreamy, film-style glow that's stronger. And Orton Effect soft dials that down for a more restrained version. For a natural, ethereal look, start with Soft Focus or Glow, and reserve the Orton options for when you want a more dramatic mood. Now fine-tune the effect with the sliders. Increase amount to control how pronounced the glow is, then use softness to smooth the transitions so the glow blends into the scene instead of sitting on top. If you want to shape the mood further, use brightness to gently lift the glow's luminosity and warmth to add a hint of golden color. Make small moves and keep an eye on highlights like the sun or water reflections. It's easy to push them too far, so aim for a glow you can see, not one that floods the image. If you want the glow only in certain areas, use masking. Click the masking brush in the glow panel and paint onto the parts you want softened. A gradient mask is great for skies, and a radial mask can create a natural pool of glow around the sun or a bright clearing. This keeps detailed foregrounds crisp while letting bright skies and highlights feel soft and inviting. To refine the mood, blend the glow with a few optional tools. A touch of landscape enhancer, especially the golden hour control, adds warm, scenic light. A subtle vignette can draw attention to the center, and slightly lowering structure or contrast ensures the soft tones remain smooth and cohesive. Remember, subtlety is your friend. Build the glow gradually, protect your highlights, and use a light gradient mask to feather the effect into the sky for a seamless result.